screensaver. Some of the Blues Fest ones came up, and the Carolyn Kelly
Carol Wonderland.
came up, and I was telling them how, you know, it really pissed me off because that was one of the ones I really wanted to see. Out of everyone at Blues Fest, I really wanted to see her. And that whole deal with Anna,
Oh
where I
yeah.
told Anna which one she had to go to get a wristband, and then I ended up having to, you know, get up and leave and miss a few songs, and then Anna ends up ditching me like immediately.
Yeah, sat in the row
and then
behind us.
left to go have sex with somebody after she had some pictures taken with some famous people. So he sent me the link to all the Carolyn
Oh,
Wonderland
okay.
videos so I could watch them.